How to use PrimaryKeyRelatedField to update categories on a many-to-many relationship. The django-rest-framework has a PrimaryKeyRelatedField which lists IDs on my many-to-many relationship with categories. I would like to override the create get a lot of posted IDs. Traditionally DRF wants me to send URLs on the categories field. JSON post. Serializer create. The issue I have is categories will be empty above, I assume because PrimaryKeyRelatedField is set to read underscore only equals true, but this has to be true on according to DRF. My question is, how to use PrimaryKeyRelatedField with validated underscore data.pop to get a list of IDs I submitted? I could use self.context.getRequest.data categories, but this is nasty and requires me to turn it into a list plus other stuff.
For anyone else having this issue, I found a solution that allows PrimaryKeyRelatedField to be read/writable. Just add query set. It will still filter on the correct relationship, which is a bit confusing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.